Hello children, welcome to our language class. Last time we learned blend, pl and sl. Now, today we are going to build word using this blend. Let's start. Before we start, if you have this worksheet with you, can you please cut this worksheet around the dotted line? Now let's build word. What picture is this? This is plum. 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 So what first blend you hear when you say plum? Pl. 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 Plum. Now on your worksheet, can you build word plum? Let me show you the first one. Then you're going to build rest of the word all by yourself. Now let's build word plum. Pl. 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 Plum. Now let's build word plant. Plant. Pl. Plant. Plant. Plug. 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 Plus. 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 Now let's build word using sl. Slab. 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 Slug. 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 Slam. Slam. Slip. 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 Now you are going to write blends. You got to look at the pictures and write that blend here. First one I'm going to show you. Plum. Pl. Plum. On your worksheet, you are going to write plum. So first one I'm going to show you. Pl. 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 Plum. Now let's write word plant. Now you are going to write all by yourself. Pl. plug, pl, a, g, pl, a, g, plug. Plus, pl, a, s, plus. Slab, sl, a, p, sl, a, p, slab. Slug, sl, a, g, sl, a, g, slug. Slam, sl, a, sl, a, slam. Slip, sl, I, sl, I, slip. Now, if you have this worksheet with you, you're going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line. And now we are going to read words and match with the pictures. Pl, a, plum. Now on your worksheet, if you are done cutting all those cutouts, arrange it like this. And if you are done, you can find word plum by reading it. Pl, a, pl, a, nt, pl, a, nt, plant. Pl, a, g, pl, a, g, plug, plug. Pl, a, s, pl, a, s, plus. Sl, a, b, sl, a, b, slab. Sl, a, g, sl, a, g, slug. Sl, a, sl, a, slam, slam. Sl, I, p, slip, slip, slip. Are you done matching all your words with their pictures? Great. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.